learning program Smart Up Your Life with me, your host Rifa Majid, and also my friends from BPC Makassar. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, we have two friends from BBC Makassar, and yes, we are going to have a great discussion, of course, for tonight. And yes, before we introduce to you the topic of our conversation tonight, we would like to how to say to introduce my friends from BPC Makassar, and they will introduce to you also the how to say the program of BPEC
Yes.
Makassar. Yes, the first one we have the purple or the lilac girl, the purple
Lilac.
lady, Mrs. Dewi. Hi,
Hi.
how was your day?
I'm on a cloud nine. Cloud nine ya. Nine cloud. Langit ke-9.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like feels I'm speechless because today is rain.
oh yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
After
So,
for a few days hot
uh-uh.
and burn
So
and
that's out of your expectation.
yeah.
So,
No. I mean, it's my expectation
oh, so
actually.
you
I
are
enjoy.
happy.
Yeah, that's why I say I'm on a cloud nine.
Oh yes. Thank you. So the next one we have Mr. Fikri.
Hello, Kak.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Me too,
Okay.
alive and kicking as usual. So today and tonight, although in the outside the cloud is maybe the sky is cloudy.
Mhm.
Are you see the stars in the sky? No, or
On the way here, no, I didn't.
okay, it's mean the sky is cloudy,
Yeah.
Mm.
isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Well, um, even though the skies or is cloudy tonight, we are happy to have each other to have a conversation too. But before that, as I promised before, my friends from BPC Makassar will introduce to you what BPC is.
Hello, everyone and smart listeners. I'm going to introduce you what BPC is. BPC stands for Benteng Panyo English Club. So BPC is one of English meetings in Makassar. So if you want to learn English for free, whether grammar, speaking, listening, and etc., you may come to our program, which is held on every Sunday at 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So if you want to join us, you can just come us with us. You can follow our Instagram at BPC Makassar, and then you can join our group. So you are going to be a part of us. Thank you.
Yes, hopefully you can join their weekly meeting and be a part of BPC Makassar
Yes.
to improve your English skill,
Yes.
right? So, one of the way that you can improve your knowledge and skill to know everything in this world, especially the history, is to visit the museum, right?
Yes.
Because today is the National Museum Day,
Oh,
so we
okay.
celebrate it, guys.
Every week is a national.
Yeah,
There will be a
yes.
national day. Yeah.
Yes,
Every week or every day.
every week.
Oh, okay.
I think every day.
Every day. Yeah,
There's
because
a
last week.
special day. So yes, from this program also we know. Oh, we have the celebration or how to say the National Day of what?
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
That and
Yeah.
etc.
Every day is a
So,
national day. Yeah.
Yes. So today is going to be National Museum Day.
okay.
So, what's inside your mind when you hear the word or the place that's called museum?
Hmm.
Museum. Is that
Yes.
right to pronounce it?
Yes, museum.
Museum. So,
Museum.
what's inside your mind, Mrs. Devi?
Museum is a place that you can find uniqueness there about the ancient times, ancient objects, about traditional clothes, statue,
Mm-hmm.
patung, yeah,
Mhm.
it's something like that, and of course about art and a little bit mystic inside.
Oh,
Mm.
Yeah.
yeah. So, Fikri?
Yeah, I agree with Miss Day saying that talking about museums, it's something that's talking about outdated things.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's something that's related to history or something like that.
Mhm.
I think that's all.
So, are you like to visit the museum?
Actually, I've just visited a museum for a time in my life,
Mhm.
and it's also because of my school. Forced
Like
us
a study
to
tour,
go
yeah?
there. Yeah, study
Yeah.
tour in
Yes.
how to say the building that seems like Monas in Makassar. How to say that one?
Mandala.
Yeah,
Mandala.
I went to there to look at the history of Makassar,
Mhm.
how were our ancestors colonized in the past or
Mhm.
something like that.
Mhm.
It was quite interesting for me because I could see a lot of things that I never expected before.
Oh, yeah. So, what about you?
Uh,
How
as
many more? How many times that you visit the museum?
if Fikri says that he ever in Mandala Monument Mandala, yeah, but I've never been there even for once, never visit. But in Rotterdam Fort, almost every week before
Oh, yeah,
pandemic.
yeah, yeah, before pandemic. Because the BPEC is,
Yeah.
how to say, headquarter
Yeah.
is there.
When I was Gabut situation or like Isoma situation,
Uh,
then I enter to the museum in Rotterdam, but
Museum
unfortunately,
Lontara, ya.
yeah, Museum Lontara. Yes,
Oh, okay.
that's
Museum Lagaligo. Oh my God.
Museum Lagaligo.
Yeah. So correct me if I'm wrong, smart listener. So, uh, you are, how to say, visit the museum,
Mm-hmm.
not, how to say, sengaja, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
to visit the museum just because BPEC.
No,
You coming to the museum and
Uh-huh.
see what inside the museum, right?
yeah, so many more, but I think I'm not gonna talking about in Rotterdam itself. Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm going to talking about a museum in Toraja.
Oh,
I
okay.
I forgot the name, but it's just several months ago. I've been there.
Mhm.
It was so, how to say, like a spooky and
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
so strong mystic, and the more it mystic, the more it makes me interesting to
Ah.
explore. Yeah, and it was so grateful because at that time I visit, no one there unless me and my husband and my kids, and the museum was very big and large.
Mm,
Yeah.
mhm. Okay, so what is the interesting things from that museum? We're gonna know about that after the break, so don't go anywhere.